ka?
Ano daw yan?
Happy. Happy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Salamat.
Happy birthday, sir.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Three. Ibig sabihin ano? TJ. Hala, ang tipid. Love lang. Heart lang. Hey, may ano? May cross. Ganyan lang, steady.
Oh, mag-score yun mamaya.
Ano square? Ano kain kita dyan? May Bible.
Thank you.
Okay,
Oh, next.
Tapos na? Wala na ibang happy birthday,
Happy-
Dad. To Dad from JC. Let's see. Lamp din to. Parang mo sinabing butas-butas na. Hindi mo ba? Wala nga. Opo, nakita ko ako eh. Pag kumaingay. Naka-video tayo.
Nakita mo na. Ano nakita mo? Butas-butas
Ano
na.
tayo dito? Double? XL. I love.
Di dad, kasing size po yan ng brief po ninyo, nakita ko po.
Talagang binanggit. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Thank
Happy
you.
birthday. May dila.
Yaman ka na.
Tagal.
Kala ko yun.
Dito.
Hindi na ano sa ino-oboy with. Pinaka. Hindi. Ano ba yan? Papalitan ko na ba?
Pwede siyang sabihin sa
Ah, ganito siya. At least hindi siya kinakalawa.
Oh, next.
Hindi ka siya 1 million. Siya 1 million. Yung 200,000 lang. Wow.
Polyester ba yan?
Kaya walang biniling ano ha.
Polyester?
Okay, happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Is that polyester?
Happy birthday.
Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brain. I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. Araw mo nang di pinapansin. Is not the words I want to hear from you.
Good morning, Lord.
So Eros stretched out his hand over the waters of Egypt, and the frogs came up and covered the land of Egypt. Hala, tinulog. The magicians did the same, making frogs come up in the land of Egypt. Then Pharaoh called forth Moses and Aaron said, "Take the Lord, that he remove the frogs from my people, and I will let the people, so they may sacrifice to the Lord." Moses said to Pharaoh, "The honor is yours." Then Moses and Aaron went out from Pharaoh, and Moses cried to the Lord concerning the frogs which he had inflicted upon.
Let my people go, that they may serve me. For if you do not let my people go, behold, I will send swarms of flies on you, and on your servants, and on your people, and into your houses. And the houses of the Egyptians will be full of swarms of flies, and also the ground on which they dwell. But on that day, I will set apart. But the Lord hardened Pharaoh's heart, and he did not let the sons of Israel go.
Thank you.
Tutok ng bundok, ika'y kanlungan sa lahat ng gulo. Masukal man ang landas, di man tiyak ang wakas, ay lalakbayin para lang samyuin ang simoy mo.
I'm going under and I fear this time there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under and I fear this time there's no one to turn to.
Baba na tayo. Wala, kinain na ng pusa yung tuko. Good morning. Wala, kinain na ng pusa yung tuko. Kanina pinaglalaroan niya lang yan. Wala ka, Miming. Patay ka, Miming. Kinakulot-ngat mo na yan. Ikaw talaga sa larin. Ming! Anong kinain mo? Ano, naglalaroan niya yung tuko, oh. So, yan, good morning. Good morning.